Hello viewers, good morning. Welcome to this program. I am going to talk about Volpone by Ben Jonson as a comedy of humor. Volpone by Ben Jonson is a great comedy of humor. First of all, let me tell what a comedy of humor means. A comedy of humor means a comedy that creates laughter, that creates humor, that creates fun and frolics in abundance through characters, through the eccentricities of characters, through the abnormalities of characters. Such a play is known as comedy of humors or humorous comedy. Ben Jonson wrote comedy of humors which is different from other comedies. Comedies of Shakespeare and comedies of other playwrights. Ben Jonson's comedies are called comedies of humors because he creates laughter, funs, frolics through the absurdities or through the not through the absurdities but through the abnormalities of the characters. Now let me explain Volpone as a comedy of humor. All the characters of this play are stereotypes. They are abnormal characters. They are not normal characters. Volpone is the main character of the play. He is a quite abnormal man. He loves gold. He worships gold as God. Another thing is that Ben Jonson, Volpone is greedy of money. He feigns to be ill and on sick bed, and he wishes that the visitors should bring rich gifts for him, and thus he wants to multiply his wealth, multiply his money, increase his money. So this is abnormality. Not only this, Volpone goes to the extent of infatuation. When he looks at Celia, Celia, wife of Corvino, he has lust for her. He asks Mosca to make arrangement to bring Celia to him. Corvino is also a very greedy man. He brings his wife Celia to him, and we are surprised to know that Volpone goes to sleep with Celia. He rapes her repeatedly. All these features tell that Volpone is an abnormal character, and this creates humor, laughter, funs and frolics. Now look at Mosca. Mosca is a servant of Volpone. He is parasite. He plays crucial role in cheating and duping the legacy hunters such as Voltaire, Corvaisier, and Corvino. His true color comes to the fore when he cheats and dupes his own master, Volpone, and gets his property. He becomes his inheritor himself. So Mosca is also a very abnormal character, a stereotype character. Now see, Voltaire, he is a lawyer, but he is greedy of wealth. He brings antique plate of gold to Volpone, and he wants to become his successor, his inheritor, in order to obtain his wealth. And he pleads on behalf of Volpone in the court, and says that he is innocent, Mosca is innocent, which is very ridiculous. So Voltaire, which stands for vulture, is a ridiculous character, a character of humor. Then Corvino is another humorous character. He is the oldest person among the legacy hunters. He is older than Volpone himself, and he still has desire to have more and more wealth, and he inherits his son Bonario and transfers his property in the name of Volpone to please him and get his property in inheritance. So this is eccentricity, this is abnormality of the character. Again, we have Corvino. He is a rich man. He has a beautiful wife, Celia. He always keeps Celia under lock. Not only this, he asks Celia to put on chastity belt. And when he is tempted, and he is suggested by Mosca that if he offers his wife to Volpone, Volpone will make him his inheritor, his successor. So he persuades his wife Celia to go to Volpone and sleep with Volpone. Celia sleeps with Volpone and she is raped by Volpone. Again, we find that Benario is also a peculiar character. It is alleged that Benario has illicit relationship with Celia, and Celia is also a strange character. She goes to sleep with Volpone for wealth, and she gets herself raped by him on the advice of her husband. Again, we find that Sir Politic Woodby is also an eccentric character. He is a political ridicule. He is a person who creates a political satire. Then Lady Woodby is also an abnormal character. She is used to please Volpone, and she also wants to get she wants to satisfy her greed. In this way, we find that all the characters of Volpone are a stereotype, abnormal, and they create laughter. All the characters are stereotypes. They are imbalanced, so their humors are out of balance, thus they act in comical ways. Thus Volpone is a comedy of humor or humorous comedy. Thanks for watching.